You know what? I need to test these mics, man. That's what I need to do. I ain't testing these microphones yet. I done had them about a week. Decent microphones, or at least they supposed to be decent, off Amazon. Really ordered these for the podcast. They look good though, because I lost my other one, but they super charged up. I need to test them out. It came with two. It came with this charging case or whatever, so they look better. And then I ain't like the way them old ones I had clip on, so this one clip right on like this, which is way better than the old ones. I ain't got to do all that, turn it sideways. I can just clip it on like that and it's good to go. So I feel like these gonna be better, and I really got them for the podcast, like I said. But you know, I really should test it out one of these videos. So you know what? That's what I'm gonna do. While we do this glitter that I'm working on, that's what we jumping into today. We got some glitter. Actually, we got a 3-part project. So we doing glitter, reflective, and then regular neon pink t-shirt vinyl, HTV vinyl. So it's 3 different colors, 3 different materials. That's all finna go on one shirt. And you know, I thought about it when I was doing this. I was like, man, they said I need to start recording more of the work that I do for all my projects and all my customers and stuff just on the daily, because I do a lot of stuff that only go to Instagram and Twitter and Facebook and stuff. I never post a YouTube video of it. So I figured this is one of them ones I can go ahead and show y'all. So I already done cut it down. Basically in this video, one part is gonna have, it's like a U. The letter U is gonna be in neon pink. The W is gonna be in this silver glitter. And then it's words up under it. One of the words is neon pink, and then 2 of the words is silver reflective. And I'm gonna show y'all the logo that I'm talking about in a second. But I already done started weeding it out, and I caught myself before I got too far ahead. I was like, you know what, let me just do a video of this. I don't even think I ever did no glitter on camera. So might as well go ahead and show y'all this little hack. It's like a hack inside of a hack inside of a hack. Cause it's like 3 ways I'm doing this. I mean, it's like 3 reasons I'm doing it this way. One reason is to save vinyl, which requires a little more time. The other reason is because I gotta heat all these at different times, being that it's different materials. I can't just press them all at one time. So that's another reason. And yeah, another reason is just because I'm getting paid to do what I love to do, and I gotta get the job done because I took it on. So 3 reasons. We're gonna jump right into it. I ain't gonna talk too much. And yeah, I need to see what's up with this podcast mic. So let me plug it in and see how it works for real, because I ain't never tested it. All right, bet. So mic working. Let's jump right into it. You know what I mean? Like I said, we got glitter right here. So I gotta trim all these up first before we do anything. I gotta get all these. I gotta get these broken down so that I can put them together for one. And then I still gotta weed out the reflective. I already cut it out, so I gotta weed out the reflective. And then also, where is the neon pink? Oh, it's in here. So I done started that too. Here go the other part of that. And I gotta weed out this last little sheet of that, which is gonna be actually pretty simple. Really, I probably can just pull it off, but I'm gonna sit down and take my time just because I don't want to mess nothing up. But yeah, we using this glitter, and then silver reflective right here. And then I forgot I actually got the logo right here. So this is the logo right here, basically. So this is just a solid one that I'm using as my reference so that I can put it on there and make sure everything is in the exact place. If you saw any of my old videos where I do multicolor designs, then y'all know I always use scrap binder to cut out a reference. And then I'll take the rest of it and put it exactly where it go. And then, you know, I can press it that way. It's in the exact position. Nothing is out of alignment. And yeah, it's A1 how it's supposed to be. So basically, y'all gonna see how it come to life in a second. I'm about to show y'all how it go. Glitter, reflective, regular HTV. All right, y'all. So we're gonna go ahead and chop this on up right quick. Right quick though. And then I'm gonna do one of them. Then, you know, I can show y'all the rest of them in the photo room when they all done. But for now, we just gonna do one. Damn, I don't even know my exact. You know what? It's probably out there on the van. Damn, I forgot all about that. So it look like I'm about to have to just use straight pull action today till I find my X-Acto knife. But y'all see it's coming right out. That's why I don't see why people be complaining about weeding. Because if you keep new blades, and I mean, I get it. If you can just eliminate this, then why wouldn't you? But also, if you got brand new blades and stuff, man, weeding is pretty easy for me. Like, all this stuff usually come right off. And as long as you got decent vinyl. Like, this is coming right up. But I do try to save time. Like when I just had a 100 shirt order, I went ahead and got somebody to print the transfers for me. It saved me so much time. All I had to do was press them, because I had to do 100 shirt placement on the chest. I meant chest placement on the shirt, and I had to do a logo on the side of the shirt, like going around the side. But I just said, instead of me trying to cut all that out in vinyl, well, actually, no, I cut out the side logo in vinyl and reflect the vinyl. Then I did the front and transfers. So it definitely saved me a lot of time. But certain stuff, man, it don't be that bad when it comes to weeding. And I think I just enjoy it sometimes. I like process. So that's that. Now, all right, for now, that's good. We got unbreakable is the word that's going to be in neon pink. That's one part. Then I got to take one of these off of here, of course. Take that off. Now we got one side of the W. There go the reflector. I can move that out of the way. So the and woman, I don't know if y'all can see that, but the and woman and reflective. Go ahead and chop that down, take that up off of there. Alright, so the woman, unbreakable, one side of the W. Like that. That's that. Trim the rest of this on off. Alright, there we go. Boom. Glitter, glitter, reflector, reflector, pink. And the only thing I need now is this side. Here I come, y'all. Hold on. Alright, and last but not least, neon pink, neon pink. That's it. So I got all the pieces broke down now to do one shirt. And we finna knock it on out. Let me grab one of her shirts out the closet. We good to go. I'm gonna take one of these mediums out of here. Take one of these mediums out of here right quick. And then, like I said, now y'all get to see, if you haven't seen it in my old video, then you get to see how I do it. So basically, I'm only using this as a reference. I cut this out because I don't want none of this stuff to be out of place or like unaligned from her original design. So I'm gonna put this on here like that, right? And then I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna take this, as y'all can see with the glitter. I'm gonna take this and lift this up. I already got it placed where I want it to be placed. So I'm gonna take this and lift this up. I'm gonna stick this under here like that. Make sure it's aligned. Boom, that's aligned. And I'm gonna take the other side, do the same thing, and then, you know, and so on and so on. But also, being that these are different materials, you know, you're gonna have to heat them all at different temperatures. So I'm gonna put the glitter on first, because the glitter need to be heated at a higher temperature and need to be pressed in a cool peel. So I want to do that first, so that when I come back, I can do reflective and then the vinyl last. That way it don't mess up none of the material, and then it all blends and go good. So I'm gonna run with the higher temperature material first, which is the glitter, then reflective, because both of those are cold peel. Then I can do the vinyl last, because I can peel that right off. So that's that. And actually, I can go ahead and do the reflective and the glitter at one time. So I'm gonna put the woman up under here. I forgot I can hit, they're about the same temperature. So I got it aligned. Y'all gonna see it when I lift it up. Boom, there go that. And then it's a smaller depth, super small design. I'll take that and put it right up under there like that. Easy. That's that. Now I can lift this back. Once I lift that back, we good. And then see, the reflective actually sticks to the shirt, so I don't have to worry about it sliding off like the vinyl. So now, as y'all can see, look at that. That's two parts of it. This is the reflective, this is the glitter, of course, y'all can see that. And then it's gonna come out like this. So the unbreakable is in pink. So this will, of course, when I put it on there, it's gonna go on top of this like this. And it's layered, so that's why I have to do that first, or whatever. Because on the graphic online, on the digital screen or whatever, you can see that the silver is basically layered, but it's up under the pink. So that's that. And then the U right here, these lines, which are these two lines, is going to be like this in between that. So it's going to be like this or whatever. But I'm about to press it and show y'all or whatever, just to throw it together. But yeah, that's really it, man. It's that simple. And the reason I do it like this, like I said, because I save vinyl and I can layer stuff better. So I couldn't have just, it wouldn't have made no sense for me to be cutting out this whole thing right here if I can fit it all on 1 yard instead of buying 2 yards of glitter. So instead of buying 2 yards of glitter, I bought 1 yard and just broke the design down instead of cutting this out all as one. And the same with the rest of it. Like, I broke the U's down, which is the little pink part, instead of cutting it all as one, because I already knew I was going to have to piece it together anyway. But yeah, let's go ahead and press this right quick. Heat press already heated up. Ready to go. And yeah. Alright, now that we got that pressed, like I said, we're going to let it cool down. Once it cool down, then we're good to go. I can go ahead and peel that off and then press it one more time before I put the vinyl on there. Then I'll come out with the vinyl. Y'all know I'm the press god. I got to press everything multiple times. I just be having to make sure that when it leave here and it's out of my hands, nothing going to go wrong. They ain't going to complain. It ain't going to wash and fall off as soon as they wash it. All that stuff really matters. So we should be good to peel it back now. Let's see. Yep. There go the glitter peel. Reflective peel. You good to go now? Boom. Here we go. Take that pink, slide it up under there like that. The exact spot. A1. 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 That's all that matters. Here we go. Moment of truth. Last but not least, I'm going to lift that on up. Lift that on up. Lift that on up. And we good. We got 3 different materials. Like I said, reflective vinyl, glitter vinyl, and regular HTV vinyl, neon pink. And that's a 3-part press. There we go. There we go. Let me give y'all a little close up right quick. So that's it. Glitter, neon pink regular vinyl, silver reflective vinyl, all on one shirt, 3 different type of materials. And one part is actually layered, as y'all can see. And yeah, it came out dope, man. She already done confirmed that she loved the shirts. Only thing is, the color that she had on her logo originally, we can't get that color because it's a digital color, and most of the vinyl that I found, they don't have it. So she went with this neon. But yeah, this is it. I'm gonna press it one more time, and that's it. We're gonna take them to the photo room when I finish the whole load. And you know I'm gonna show y'all that too. Y'all already know where we at with it. Photo room. Job is done. Glitter. Reflective. I'm gonna turn the flash on one more time too. I just gotta show y'all how that look. But yeah, like I was saying about the temperature, you gotta heat glitter at 325, reflective at 305, and regular vinyl at 300. So I had to do them all at different times. I had to put the glitter on first because I didn't want to burn the regular vinyl or burn the reflective, being that it's gonna be way hotter. So yeah, I put it in the description too, where y'all can see exactly what's the time stamp and how much pressure you should use and what temperature it should be at. So I'm gonna turn the flash on, but like I said, 325 Fahrenheit for glitter, 305 for reflective, 300 for regular vinyl, 10 to 12 seconds for all of them. And this is it with the camera flash on. Hit that, dim it down some. That's why I like filming with the phone too, because you can't do this with a regular camera. And if I hit the light, let me turn off the light. Hold on, y'all. So you can see it a little better. Look at that. That's hard. She ain't even gonna know until she get them. Then I send her the video when she come pick them up. That glitter hitting though. But yeah, that's it, y'all. It's a wrap. And the microphone actually worked pretty good too. So podcast coming soon. Just keep letting y'all know that. And yeah, that's what it is, man. I appreciate everybody who done subscribe. If you haven't, go on and hit that subscribe button. And let me know what y'all want to see next.